We're going to turn our kitchen from mundane to wow. Step 1, mark where you want your knobs using one of these guides so you're accurate on every single door. You buy this guide wherever you buy the knobs at, Home Depot, Lowe's, Walmart. We're going to draw our hole, and we're using a trash can to catch the filings. Put your screw in for the back, and then screw on the knob on the front. Go ahead and use a screwdriver just to make sure they're hand tight. Be sure to tighten the screw. Don't turn the actual knob to tighten it. See these two little nubs here? They'll help keep your knob from spinning, but you don't want them scratching up your cabinet. We're going to put horizontal pulls on the drawers. So we're going to measure. You see our drawer is 10 inches. We're going to mark the center of it horizontally and vertically. So the horizontal center would be 5 inches. So we're putting this guide on, and we're going to make sure the center holes line up with 5. And for our drawers, we decided to go 4 holes down. And our pulls are going to be connected at the second hole here and the second hole over there. Mark the center of your drawer horizontally and then put these center holes at that point. If your drawers are like double width, you may have to buy a screw that's a 1/2 inch longer. And also, if your drawer is composite, we're going to put just a wood piece there so we can drill into that wood. It keeps that wood from falling apart. Drilling with a piece of wood in the back makes it nice and clean. There's our finished product. We use a brushed satin finish to match the rest of the house, but you can use like a cornflower design. Some knobs look like little roses, so you can match your curtains or your counters. Also, we use knobs for the doors and we use pull bars for the drawers, but you can do it any way that you want. So I hope this is helpful. Thank you.